Peekaboo! What's up, guys? Legend Ninja. So my sister wants to sing a song. So after that I will continue. I'm going to be showing you how to make a zip noise. So let my sister sing first. Take a bread. We ask you take a bread. Oh Father, we are here. Oh Father, we are here. Take a bread. We ask you take a bread. Heart. We ask you take a heart. Oh Father, we are yours. We are yours. Okay, she wanted to sing Take a Bread. She doesn't know it properly, so she wanted to sing. So let's begin with the video, guys. So I am going to be showing you the zip noise. So I am going to be showing you the zip noise. I am going to be showing you the zip noise. Zip noise. Okay, so how to do it? So like first you have to suck your breath inside. But some people, they keep it open. The whistle comes out, and that is wrong. So you suck in air. Keep this slightly open, as if you are sucking straw. You know that noise comes like that. So what? How to teach you? Yeah, understood. So like first you have to keep it closed and breathe, suck in air as much as you can. First let it come like this. Slowly suck in harder. And then full hard. That noise will come, and that time is the correct zip noise. You can go up to your friend and say, "Hi, I know how to do a zip noise." Then they will obviously say, "No, hut, you cannot do. You go." But you can actually do it. So like you just have to do like this, and then they'll be like, "Wow, awesome." So I am going. So this is out of my house, and then there is that place there. Can I see a girl walking? See, one girl is walking over there. You know I take out videos over there, right? So I will see you all in the next video. So I will see you in the next video.